Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. This video is coming after 10 or 2 weeks almost. In this video we are going to discuss about the second part of the mole concept, that is chemical reactions. Now chemical reactions is nothing, you already know what is it. Simple chemical reactions, you write whatever. We are going to calculate. That you know it's stoichiometry, so we are going to establish a relationship and calculate from the reactions. Now let's see what we have to calculate. Suppose you have got a reaction, that is take is NaCl plus H2SO4. That what will it give you? It will give you Na2SO4, let us take, temperature is greater, plus HCl. Right. Now what does this reaction tell you? This reaction tells you that this is neutralizing. That's a different concept. We are not considering acid base reaction right now, are we? No. This reaction tells you that this particular reactant is reacting with this reactant to form this much number of reactant. Now is the reaction balanced? No. How will be balanced? Na is 2. Let's try by putting a 2 over it. How many Cl? 2 Cl. 2 Cl is there? No. Let's put 2. Done. Now we can infer that 2 number of NaCl, that is actually 2 moles of NaCl or 2 molecules of NaCl, is reacting with 1 molecule of H2SO4 to form 1 molecule of Na2SO4 plus 2 molecule of HCl. Can we say that? Yes, we can say that. Right. So from the chemical reaction, we can say the molecular proportion of substance is 2, 1, 1, 2. Right. This is the molecular proportion. Second, we can infer from here the molecular weights. This is 98. This is 36.5 and it is 2, so we will be multiplying it with 2. This is around 58.5 multiplied by 2. Okay, 58.5, or let me check once. Wait, 23 plus 35.5. 58.5. Okay, and Na2SO4 is around 46 plus 32 plus 64, 142. Okay, so this is 142. So we can say about the molecular masses as well. Okay. Then once we know the mass, can we calculate the volume? Yes, we can calculate the volume. We know 1 mole is, this one is 1 mole. 1 mole occupies 22.4 liter. Considering this one right now. So 2 mole will occupy, right? So this much double will occupy this much volume. So we can also get the volume from this value, right? So in the chemical reaction, we will be calculating these 3 things. There are 3 relationships. One can be asked mass-mass relationship. Question might be given how much this will be released when you heat with this much volume. This much mass. Then can be mass-volume relationship, and last one can be volume-volume relationship. Okay, everything can be derived from the equation, so there is no worry about this. Okay, now what to do? You have to do questions. Until you do questions, you will not understand what is happening. Okay, so let's do, pick up a question and let's start doing. Okay, it is told reaction between 15 gram of marble. Now what is marble? Marble is nothing but calcium carbonate. Exercise 5T question 2. Okay, the reaction between 15 gram of marble and nitric acid is given by the following equation. CaCO3, let's write the equation. CaCO3 plus 2HNO3 giving you CaNO3 whole 2 plus water plus carbon dioxide. Okay. Okay. Now it is told calculate the mass of anhydrous calcium nitrate formed. So from the equation, how much calcium nitrate is formed? What is given in the question? 15 gram of marble and nitric acid. Right. So in the question, let us write one given. Given what? 15 gram. Okay. What is the atomic mass or molar mass? 100 gram. HNO3 is how much? 126. Twice into. This is 14, 15, 48, 15. So this is 63 twice. Okay. Clear? Calcium nitrate is 164 gram. Water is 18 gram and carbon dioxide is 44 grams. Some I have memorized, some I have to calculate. Clear? Okay. Now you have to apply simple unitary method. Now it is asking for anhydrous calcium nitrate. So 100 gram CaCO3 will give you how much calcium nitrate? This much. So we can write 15 gram CaCO3 will give you how much? 164 upon 100 into 15. Right or wrong? Right. Calculation you will get is 24.6 gram. Clear? What did we do? We had to write the equation first, get the molar mass of all the compounds, that is all the reactants and the products given in the question. 100 gram, 63 into 2 gram. When we are going to calculate, we are going to use this into 2, not 1. Clear? When the coefficient is present. 0, 164, 18, 44. 100 gram is producing how much? This much. So 15 gram will produce how much? This divided by this into 15. Simple unitary method. Answer is 24.6 gram. Next, the volume of carbon dioxide evolved at STP, it is 22.4 liter. By that thing only you can see 44 gram is what? 1 mole. 1 mole releases 22.4. Done. Okay. So second part is 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter, yes. 44 gram is 22.4 liter, I also know that. But question is given 15 gram. That is also a question. Will you write 22.4 liter or something else? 22.4 liter is only for this part. When this part was not given, then the volume released is, volume of carbon dioxide is 22.4 liter. But this is given for what? If you are not using it, why it is given? So it is given to use. To use this value, how much will be the volume of carbon dioxide produced? So let's calculate it. Okay, let's calculate it. 15 gram, 100 gram CaCO3 gives you 44 gram of CO2. So 15 gram will give you how much? 15 gram. 44 divided by 100 into 15 gram CO2. Right? Let's calculate the value. 0.44 into 15. 6.6. Okay. So 6.6 gram. Now 44 occupies how much? 22.4 liter. How much will this much occupy? 22.4 divided by 44 multiplied by 6.6, 3.36. Clear? Understood? This was 6.6 liter we have got from here. But we are not asked about mass. We are asked about volume. 1 mole CO2, that is occupying 22.4 liter. That means 44 gram of CO2 occupies 22.4 liter. So how much will 6.6 gram of CO2 occupy? This divided by this multiplied by this, that is giving you 3.36 liter. Clear? So answer is what? 3.36 liter. This 22.4 liter is applicable when this is not there. Only the ideal equation. Clear? Generally it is not asked. It will not be asked either. Everything, some value will be given. Okay, understood. So this question done. Next one let us do. Next question, let us go move on. Let's move on to the next question. Next, question number 3. What is asked? Okay, first let's understand. 66 gram of ammonium sulfate is produced by the action of ammonia on sulfuric acid. Okay, so ammonia on sulfuric acid. Production is ammonium sulfate, NH4 whole twice SO4. Only this product? Yes, only this product. Correct? Okay. Balance the equation. We have to balance the reaction, right? Without balancing, there is a problem. So how to balance? Let's check. N is twice, hydrogen is 8. Let's put a 2 over here, done. Okay. SO4 is SO4. This is big, done. Clear? Okay, now what is given? 66 gram. This value is given 66 gram in the question. This is the in the question part. Putting a line over here. Okay, given. Given is 66 gram of ammonium sulfate is produced. Okay, now what is asked? Mass of ammonia required. So what is the mass of ammonia required? Okay, first let's understand. Mass of ammonia 14 plus 3 is 17. So this is 17 twice gram. Okay, sulfuric acid is 98 and ammonium sulfate, let's calculate. Ammonium sulfate. Nitrogen 28, 8, 36, 32, 128. Okay, 128 gram. 128. Clear? Just let me check once. Wait. Nitrogen 28, hydrogen 8, sulfur 32, 64. No, 132. Not 128. 132. That is why I checked. 132 gram. Okay. Okay. Now, for this much, how much NH3 will be needed? That is the first part of the question. Okay. For 132 gram NH4 whole 2 S. I'm not writing that. Okay. 132 gram ammonium sulfate. We need how much? 34 gram ammonia. Right or wrong? Right. So for 66 gram, how much we will need? This is double. Okay. 34 divided by 132 into 66. Done. Clear? I showed you the calculation, but you can clearly see that this particular thing and this particular thing, you have clearly noticed this thing and this thing double. This thing and this thing double, so that thing will be half. Clear? Understood? I have to just have to check something. Mental calculation also helps. So answer is 17 gram. How did we get? 132 gram. This 132 gram needs 34 gram ammonia. 66 gram will require 17 gram ammonia. Clear? Done. What is the second part? Let's check it out. Second part is volume of gas used at STP. Now only one gas is there. So it's ammonia gas. So what is the volume of gas used at STP? Last time we found out the mass of 17 gram ammonia. So 17 gram ammonia will be what? 22.4 liter is 17 gram, no? 17 gram is 22.4 liter. Right or wrong? So what is the answer? 22.4 liter. There. Last time we found out that 66 gram is required for 66 gram is required for 17 gram and 17 gram is 1 mole. So 1 mole will require how much? 22.4 liter. Clear? So answer is 22.4 liter. This is literally nothing to do only because we know 17 gram is 1 mole and 1 mole occupies 22.4 liter. So what will you write? 17 gram ammonia is required dot whatever you have to write for this much. Clear? Next you will write 1 mole ammonia also equal to 17 gram. We know 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter of volume at STP. Clear? So required answer is 22.4 liter. What have we said? 17 gram ammonia is required by 66 gram of NH42 SO4. We will write that. 1 mole of ammonia is also equal to 17 gram. We know 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter of volume at STP. So therefore the required answer is 22.4 liter. Clear? Next it is asking mass of acid required. Mass of acid required. What will be the mass of acid required? What will the mass of acid required? Half of this. Half of this. So answer is 49 gram. Okay. If you want to do it, you can do it by utility method. But by seeing only, you can understand that it's 49 gram. Generally, we will not be able to understand by seeing. But this value is half of this. So this value will also be the half of this. Clear? So answer will be 49 grams. You just check it once. 66 and 98. Sorry. 132 is 98. So 66 will be how much? 98 upon 132 into 66. 2. Done. Okay. 49. Clear? So answer is 49 gram. Done. Okay. Now let us go back to another question. Let us do another question. Question number 11. Let us go to question number 11. Now understand, question number 11 is saying, the reaction first let's write MnO2 plus HCl. Okay. MnO2 plus HCl. This reaction have started in study of compound hydrogen chloride also. This gives you MnCl2 plus water plus chlorine. Right? Okay. Now how to balance this? Let's check it out. Chlorine can be made 2, but hydrogen will be made 2. Oxygen if I make, no, it's not possible. So here then I have to place 2, then hydrogen will become 4, chlorine will become 4, Mn will become 2, and oxygen will also become 2. Done. Okay. Done or not done? Wait, let's check again. Chlorine becomes 4 chlorine. Oh, chlorine is becoming 8. No. This is wrong. Wait. Chlorine is becoming more. Individual chlorine over here also. So 4 chlorine, 2 chlorine. Done. Okay, leave it. No need to of that. Clear? This is a balanced reaction. Done. Balanced reaction over. Now what we are going to write? We are going to write the individual masses. 35.5. Water is 18. Here into 2. Okay, Mn. Mn's mass. Mn, we are going to consider manganese mass as 55. Okay, manganese will be considered as 55. So it's 54.9. 55 will be considered. Okay, 55. So 55 plus 71, right? 35.5 double. So it's 126. This is HCl. So it's 36.5 into 4. This is again MnO2. So 55 plus 32. That's 87. Clear? Okay, now what is told? 0.02 moles. Now it's not directly given the weight, it's given 0.02 moles. Okay, now 0.02 mole. Okay, so mole is given 0.02. Weight we do not know, or we will know the weight. We do not know the weight. Molecular mass we know. What we are going to do? How to find the weight? Clear? Multiply. So 87 into 0.02 gives you 1.74. So given weight is 1.74 gram. Clear? So given weight is 1.74 gram. From 1.74 gram, we are going to do the next calculation. 0.02 mole indicates 1.74 gram of NO2. How did we calculate? Mole meant given weight divided by molecular weight, or rather I will write molar mass. So here given weight we are going to find, mole given, molar mass we know. Clear? This is what we applied. Okay. Now what is first part? Mass of amino 2 used. Mass of amino 2 used. What is the mass of amino 2 used? Answer is there on the board. 1.74. Next, mass mole of salt formed. Moles of salt formed. This one. Now question. 87 gram gives you how much? 126 gram salt. 1.74 gram will give you 126 upon 87 into 1.74. Correct or not correct? Correct. 126 divided by 87 into 1.74, that is around 2.52 gram. This is the MnCl2. Now given weight is 2.52 and this is 126. What is the number of mole? 0.02. Clear? 2.52 and 126. If you have carefully seen, then this is the double. Have you seen that? 252's is 126's double. So answer will be what? 2. Now 100 is there below. So 0.02. So answer is what? 0.02 mole of salt is formed. Clear? I already told you now. 1 mole will react with 4 mole to form 1 mole. So 1 mole will be formed. 1 mole will be 1 mole. So 1 mole and same mole. Clear? Okay. 0.02 done. Mass of salt form gone. Next is mass of moles of chlorine formed. Again chlorine is 1 no. So same number, same mole will be formed. Let's check it out. Mole also will be for chlorine also will be 0.02. But let's check it out. 87 gives you 35.5. So 1.74 will give you 35.5 by 87 into 1.74. Let's calculate. Big calculation. Let's calculate. 35.5 divided by 87 into 1.74. Clear? This is the mass. Now given weight is 0.71, 35.5. Can you see a similarity? This is double. 100 below. Answer is okay. So answer is how much? 0.02. So I told you 111 is, so answer will be same. Clear? So mass of chlorine formed is 0.71 gram. Moles of chlorine formed 0.02, that you have already got. Done. Okay. Mass of chlorine formed moles of chlorine formed. Got it. Okay. Next one. Volume of chlorine formed. Next one is how will you calculate volume? From the mass you can calculate volume very easily, right? So let's again calculate the mass. 87 gram MnO2 is giving you 35.5 gram of chlorine, right? Okay, divide by 87. Here 1.74 gram is giving you 35.5 by 87 into 1.7 gram of chlorine gas, correct? Okay, what is the value coming to? Let's check it out. 0.1. Okay, 0.71. Now, can you tell me what is the error in this question? Answer, not a question, definitely. What is the error in this question? Answer. There is error in the answer. The answer is not going to match. Why? One error is there. Previous answer mole matched, but this answer won't match. Why? I'm telling the correct answer. 1 minute. Correct answer is around 35.5. Correct answer is 1.42. Okay, correct answer is 1.42. Now tell me what is the error that I have made in the question? What is the error that I have made in the question? Previous answer was moles. That is going to come 0.02 and that has also come. But there is an error in the answer. What is the error in the answer? If you have carefully seen, then this is dichlorine. What mass have I written? Single chlorine. Is that correct? No. That's the error in the question, right? In my writing. So that's the error. So this will be what? 71, right? So we are going to consider 71 in our answer. 71. Now it is going to be correct. Okay. So now check the mass of chlorine will be matching. 71 gram. So instead of this, 71 gram. So instead of this, answer will be clear. Should be always alert. Okay. So it's 71. Now 71 gram. This is the value 1.42 divided by 71. You check, it's again 2. So it's again 0.02. This is double of this. Right. So answer is 0.02. Previous one was also answer 0.02. 0.71. Below was 35.5. Right. Right. Right or wrong? Right. Clear? So you have to check it out. What is happening, where it is happening from. Clear? So that's the error. It will be considered as 71 because it's dichlorine, not single chlorine. Mass of chlorine done. Moles of chlorine done. Volume of chlorine you can calculate. Answer was 1.42. Then we already know that 71 occupies how much? 1 mole will occupy 22.4 liter. 1 mole will occupy 22.4 liter. So 35.5 will be occupying 22.4 liter. 22.4 divided by 35.5 multiplied by, what was the answer? 1.42. Just a minute. 22.4 divided by 71 multiplied by 1.42. Okay, clear? So this is 1.42. So 22.4 divided by 71 into 1.42. Answer is 0.448 liters. Clear? This calculation is need to be done over here. Time consuming, nothing else. You can do it in your hand also, but that will take a little much time, rather much time. Okay. Okay. Done. Next asking moles of acid required. Now what is the mole of acid required? Now if you can, I have already told you 1 mole. Here 1 mole, here also 1 mole. Here how many mole? 4 moles. So answer will be 4 mole, right? So what was here? 0.02. So what will be here? 0.08. Clear? Answer will be 0.08. But writing this much will not help you. How to prove it is 0.08? Let's check. Let's check. This is 4HCl. 87. How much is 35.5 into 4? Let's check. 35.5 into 4. 142. So 87 is 142. 1 is this one. 1.74 is 142 by 87 into 1.74. 2.84. Clear? So this is the mass. So 2.84 divided by, given weight is 2.84, molecular weight was probably 142. No, 140. 142. Double. Again see. Not double. This time is 2.84 divided by 142. Answer is again 0.02. Now how come the answer is 0.02? Answer should be 0.08. How come the 0.02? Answer should not have been 0.02. Answer should have been something else. Okay, let's find out now the error. Where is the error? 87 giving 142. 142 divided by 87 into 1.87. 142 divided by 87 into 1.7, 2.84. So 2.84 divided by 5.5. Okay, answer is 0.08. Again, there is an error. The error I have found out. Have you all found out the error? If you have found out, do let me know in the comment. Okay, error is over here. This should have been 35.5. Answer is 0.08. Clear? Molar mass has to be put, right? Not the 4 times mass, right? So it has to be the molar mass. So it will be 35.5. Clear? Done. So answer is 0.08. Next, mass of acid required. Clear? You already know the mass of acid, so I am not telling it. Clear? Done? Okay. Let's do another question. Let's do one more question. Last question let's do. Okay, let's do this question. Copper plus copper plus nitric acid gives you copper nitrate plus water plus nitrogen dioxide. Taking it as concentrated, okay? Okay, leave it, dilute. So you may know. Okay, balance is 3, 8, 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, 2. Done. Okay. Mass of copper needed to react with 63 gram of HNO3. Okay, first let us find out the mass. 64. This is 64. Okay, HNO3. Did we already find out HNO3 before? I think I found out. Okay, HNO3 is 14 plus 48, 63. Okay. But here 8 times, so 63 into 8. Okay, copper nitrate is 64 plus 28 plus 96, 188. H2 is 18 into 4 into 3 into 3. And this is 30 probably. 14 into 16. But 14 plus 16. 30 into 2. Clear? Everything is written. Now find out. First is asked mass of copper required to react with 63 gram. Mass required to react with 63 gram. Very easy calculation. 63 is already present. So this 8 will be here, this side. Right or wrong? This 8 will come over here, divide. This will cut 8. So answer is 24 gram. Clear? Correct answer. Answer is how much? 24 gram. Okay. Next. Volume of nitric oxide can be collected. What is the volume of nitric oxide? Okay. Now take any one value and get the value. Okay. This asked 63 gram. So here 63 gram. 63 gram means 60 divided by 8. Because 63 into 8 indicates 60. So 63 will be divided by 8. Right? Correct? Okay. 60 divided by 8 gives you a value of 7.5. Okay, so 7.5 gram. So how much will be the volume occupied by 7.5 gram if 30 gram occupies 22.4 liter? Volume of nitric oxide and STP that can be collected, right? So now find out from here using this value, you can find out easily this value. Okay, if you are getting confused, let's make it easier. This is 30 into 2, right? Make it, keep it 30 into 2. 63 into 8 is how much was? Let's calculate. 63 into 8. 504. So 504 gives you 60. So here 63 will give you how much? 60 by 504 into 63. Now instead of 504 we are writing 63 into 8. Right? 63 will get cancelled. So ultimately you are remaining with what? 60 by 8 only though. That we have done directly. Resulting in 7.5 gram. This is 7.5 gram produced. Now this 7.5 gram is going to occupy how many volume? That we are going to calculate. 7.5 gram. Okay. 30 gram, which is the molar mass, will occupy this much. So 7.5 gram will occupy 22.4 divided by 30 into 7.5. What is the value? 22.4 into 7.5 divided by 30. Answer is what? 5.6 liter. Clear? So answer is what? 5.6 liter. So there are type of questions that you will be practicing from this portion. So this portion requires this reaction part to be well memorized. Not memorized actually. You know, these values. Like copper value 64, hydrogen is everyone knows, nitrogen already known, oxygen already known. This copper, like some extra, like platinum. Then lead is there 208. That things you have to just remember. 207, somewhere 207, somewhere 208 also we take. Clear? So from here all these type of sums we are going to do. So that's all from this video. Next video topic is not decided yet. You can tell the topic what to make the next video on, or I'll be searching for a topic. So let's meet in the next video.